Probably gonna be doubling our revenue, so we're looking pretty good, and I think Company Cam has helped us get to that point.
DCPS is different from our competitors because we have experts in the industry. Most people have a lot of employees and people that know what they're doing for the most part, but we truly have experts in the industry. We look for the highest quality personnel. We also look at our customers as ourselves. So that's a little different. We're not just trying to make a buck. We're really trying to solve a problem for our customers as though it's our own.
At least in my division, we go from painting a unit to replastering a pool. So there's a lot of in between there. It's very dynamic. It's always changing. There's a lot of challenges, which makes it fun. For me, the biggest issue with the previous resource I used to have is the fact that we didn't have the ability to take pictures and be able to send reports or send pictures via the phone, while you're on site. The previous software was, you can take the picture on your phone, but you cannot see what you took. You cannot easily share. You have to go back to the office, open your computer, and send pictures and send them over.
Yeah, there's been multiple times when we would have to, drive to a project, take pictures, and then think that we're covered, and then the next day realize the pictures weren't what we needed and have to drive back again. We were just searching online trying to find systems that would be a little bit easier to use and actually save us more time. And one of our employees ended up finding Company Cam and tried it out and said, hey, this is a really good system, you should try it out as well. And since I was having a lot of problems with my previous one, I tried it out, and within a week, I knew right away this was how I was gonna end up moving to.
From my experience and from what I hear from the guys is basically it came down to look at all the time that we're saving, look how nimble it is, how efficient it makes it with our time. It's definitely worth the extra couple bucks on our overhead.
We've always had the process of communicating regularly with our clients, but the time savings that we have because of how easy it is to use Company Cam has drastically improved. Yeah, Company Cam helps us win projects because of our reputation of being good at communication, of documentation. It helps us win projects because we gain trust of our clients because they see that what we're doing is what we promised. Yeah, we just have a good reputation in the market for the best communication, and Company Cam is a big part of that.
I would say give it a shot and you'll be surprised how much is going to improve your efficiency and how much is going to help you make better use of your time. Especially in construction, you know that every minute you can save from taking pictures or doing documentation you can put into actual executing the job or producing quotes for your company. That's very beneficial, and Company Cam will help you along every step of the way. So I would always say give it a shot.